Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Nothing says you love and care about someone more than getting a nice greeting card in the mail from you. So, especially when people are not feeling well, it is so nice to send them a card. So, I love this selection by Better Office Products. It comes in a box of 50. So, you get 3 styles of Get Well cards. There's a super cute one with this little band-aid with the eyes. There is this really pretty blue design and then a really pretty purple floral one. So I love that 2 of the 3 would be good for men, women, children, or adults. It also comes with these 3 Take It Easy cards. I really like these cards because sometimes we have friends who are not feeling well. Maybe it's a chronic illness or something that they're just not going to feel better. But we still want to let them know that we love them, we're thinking of them, and we're sorry they're not feeling the best that they could. So these are perfect for that. The insides of all of them are blank, so you have plenty of space to write your personal message. You get all 50 of these cards and 50 envelopes, and they come delivered in this box, which is perfect to store everything all together on your shelf. Just label it Get Well cards, and every time you need one, they'll be super handy and readily available. If you're looking for a way to let people know you really care about them, especially when they're not feeling well, this set of cards by Better Office Products is super nice, really nice to have on hand, so that I can get the cards out really quickly when I hear my friends aren't feeling well. And that's my point of view.